Today we are going to solve the rats and injections puzzle. This is going to be very much similar to the previous rat and poison problem. So the question says, in your lab you are given 240 injections and one of them has anesthesia in it. If anesthesia is injected in a rat, it will faint in within 24 hours and you have to determine which injection contains anesthesia in 48 hours. But you are given only 5 rats for the experiment. Coming to the approach, here you might have thought of solving this problem using binary numbers, where 1 represents that we are injecting the rat and 0 being simply skipping the rat. But let's figure out why will the approach not work. Here log of 2 of 240 will be 7 point something and ceil value, that means the next integer value after this will be 8. So this means that we need 8 rats to complete this experiment, but we have only 5 rats available right now. So this method that we are trying to solve is not correct. Here we might have missed the fact that we have 48 hours given instead of 24 hours. So we can use this for solving, and therefore we can make 3 different cases. One is entirely skip the rat, second being inject the rat at the beginning of the day 1, and third being inject the rat at the beginning of second day. We'll represent each of them by the numbers 0, 1 and 2 respectively. Since we have the liberty to use all 3 digits 0, 1 and 2, these bits can be assigned to the injections and we can get the ternary value of each injections from 1 to 240 and assign them the bits value. And similarly, 1 can be represented as 1 in ternary, 2 can be represented as 2, 3 can be 1, 0, 4 can be 1 and so on. Let's say first injection is given the number 1, second is represented as 2, third is 1, 0, fourth is 1, 1, fifth is 1, 2, and we'll make an arrangement on these particular naming of the injections and decide which rats are to be assigned to them. So we'll number the rats from 1 to 5 and we'll assign them the injections simply. So here let's say 1 means the first injection is given to the rat 1 on day 1, 2 means the injection is given to the first rat on day 2, 1, 0 means injection 3 is given to the rat 2 on first day and not given to the first rat, simply skipping it. And this is how we'll be assigning each of the injections to them, and we can figure out based on the fainting of rats which was the injection that has the anesthesia in it. So if we get the log 3 value of 240, we can know how many bits of 240 are required to assign all these value to them. So since we are getting log 3 of 240 as 5, our number of rats required will be 5 and we'll get the correct answer.